Hello, third graders. You are going to continue working on your digital research about your community of Grand Island. I'm just going to show you a few reminders and then you're going to get to work on it. Okay? The first thing you have to do is go to your Google Classroom and you need to click on this assignment called My Grand Island Community. Okay? And then you should see this. This is what we worked on. Okay, then we have to open two tabs. Remember, or two windows. We have to have our slideshow open and we have to have our research open. So I'm going to make this smaller by clicking here. Then I'm going to go to the very last page. Remember that? Then I'm going to click on this website. That's our research website that we're using. Click it one time, and then this address that pops up in large blue letters, right click. Remember, we're going to click with this middle finger on the other side of the mouse. We're not clicking normally. We want this menu to pop up. So we're going to click right here. And when the menu pops up, we're going to click with our regular pointer finger on Open in New Window. And if it's in the way, we're just going to drag it over so that it's not in the way anymore. Okay? All right, and if we need to pause the video right now, pause me, so that everybody can get caught up, we can do that. All right, help each other. I think you all can remember how to do this, but you have to help each other. Okay, then we're going to go back to the people page. And see how we have one sentence about Edith Abbott and we have a picture about Edith Abbott? Whoops. We don't have a website where we got that information from, and we have to have the website where we got the fact and picture from. Otherwise, it's cheating, and you got to start over. It doesn't count. So I need to find where I got this information from. So over here, I'm going to go down to chapter 6 and 13 and click on Community Individuals. Then I'm going to go to the Edith Abbott page right here. And remember, this is where we found out about Edith Abbott and we got her picture from here. We have to put the website where we got this from. So do you see up here next to this lock, there's a website address? We're going to click on that one time and it will all be highlighted blue. Then we're just going to grab this with our mouse, click on it, hold it down, drag it over here underneath where it says websites I used, and we're going to let go. And then it's kind of a weird shape. So I'm going to grab the boxes and stretch it out so that it's as long as the slide. Okay, and then it's one line. It looks nice and neat. Okay. Okay, then the next thing you have to do, and you can pause the video again if you need to for everybody to get caught up. The next thing you need to do is go back to the page about people. So see up here above Edith Abbott's name, it says individuals. And we're going to get more information. Okay, we're going to add another person. So I'm going to pick Juan Guzman. I'm picking him at the bottom. Okay. I'm going to grab his picture and put it on my slideshow and make it smaller so that it fits. Okay. Then I'm going to find a fact about him by reading this article. And you can have Mrs. Hicken read this to you, or a friend, or you can read it yourself and find one thing he did for Grand Island. Okay, he started a soccer league in Grand Island. So I'm going to put that fact. And you might have to take your time and read this. Okay, you don't have to copy me. So I'm going to make a box, click on the text box, make a box to type in, and I'm going to type my fact. Juan Guzman started a soccer league in Grand Island, period. Make sure when you're typing your fact that you have capitals and periods like you're supposed to. And if the computer underlines anything red, you need to fix it because it's not right. All right, once I have my picture and my fact, I'm going to grab my website. Remember, I click on it one time to make it blue. Drag it over here, stretch it out so it's the whole size of the slide. don't know if I can do that because there we go. Okay. Then I have to put one more person on my slide. So I go back above Juan Guzman's name, click on individuals, go down here, and this is what you guys are going to do with Mrs. Hicken, and you can help each other. You're going to pick one more person so that you have 3 people on your slideshow. Okay, so we have Edith Abbott and a picture, Juan Guzman and a fact and a picture, and then you're going to pick one other person. You're going to drag their picture over here. You're going to make a text box to type a fact, and then you're going to grab the website and drag it down here to the bottom. Okay? All right. If you get the people page done and you have 3 people with a picture for each person, a fact for each person, and the website for each person, then you can click on slide number 3 and add events and celebrations. And it's the same thing. You need a picture, a fact, and the website for each event and celebration. And you need 3 of them on this page. Okay, hopefully you're able to get all these things done. I look forward to seeing what you have when I get back. And make sure you help each other. And make sure you ask Mrs. Hicken or Miss Milton for help. But I expect you to have as much of this done as you can. Okay? Okay.